Hello and welcome to MathsWithJacko. In this video, we're going to look at different types of angles. Okay, so we're going to look at the basic ones and then the ones in parallel lines. So your first main ones are your acute angles, which look something like this. These are your acute angles, and they are less than 90 degrees. Okay, really important we know that. They look like this. People say they're acute because they're cute, like a cheesy way to remember it. Then you have your obtuse angles, which are like this. Obtuse, and they are in between 90 and 180. Yeah, they are your obtuse angles in between 90 and 180 degrees. And then you have your reflex angles. And these are bigger, so larger than 180 degrees. Yeah, what larger 180 and smaller than 360 degrees. So they are your main types of angles that you need to know. They are the absolute basics that you have to know. Right, let's move on to some other ones. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the ones that are within parallel lines. Okay, let's get my ruler. I'm going to draw these out a bit more for you. So if you have parallel lines like this, remember parallel lines never meet, really important. So they have the same space between them. And then if you have angles that are separate, like this, are separated, get a different colour pen to make it easier. These ones are the same. So the ones in red, they would be the same, those angles, okay? And these angles are called corresponding. Yeah, they are corresponding angles. And then, because they're corresponding, you also have these ones here that are also the same. So two different rules here. They're corresponding with each other, these ones, but then this way, they are called vertically opposite. Yeah, and if you measured them using your protractor, they would be the same size. Okay, so after corresponding, our next set of angles that are within parallel lines are your alternate angles. Yeah, they are alternate. So I'll write it first so you can see these are alternate angles. And alternate angles are like this. So this one and then this one. Kind of like a Z. Yeah, it's like a bit of a Z shape, we call it. Yeah. So alternate angles are the same. You're looking for that Z. They are the same. Okay. Now, your next one that are within parallel lines. I'll draw it out for you so you can see. Like so. Do the same picture again. These are all within parallel lines. Remember that if you're in like an assessment, parallel lines, they're usually marked with some little arrows like this. Yeah, if you don't see the arrows, then you have to look for other reasons why they could be parallel if you think they are parallel lines. But you need to be looking for these little arrows here. Okay, so this one. These two angles now, they're not the same, so I'll do a different colour. So these two angles here, they're not the same, but they add up to a certain number. So let's for this one A and this one B, and A plus B equal 180 degrees. Okay, and we call those types of angles co-interior. Yeah, co-interior angles, and they add up to 180 degrees. And if they didn't add up to 180 degrees, therefore them lines would not be parallel. Okay, right, they are your basic angle rules. Don't forget to check out other videos on angles. Thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time.